In Chapter 6, we're going to be working with exponents. Today what we're going to do is we're going to work with the multiplication properties of exponents. We're going to let a and b be numbers and let m and n be positive integers. The first property we're going to take a look at is the product of powers property. This says if you are multiplying powers having the same base, you add the exponents. So a to the m times a to the n, you would take a and add the m plus n. The next one is a power of a power property. To find a power of a power, multiply the exponents. So if I have a base raised to the nth power, and then I want to raise it again to the n power, then I am multiplying my exponents together. And finally, today we're going to look at the power of a product property, which says that if you have two bases inside, here we have a and b, this exponent, this m on the outside here, is going to get multiplied to all the exponents on the inside. So we get a to the m times b to the m. So let's take a look at example 1 here. We want to simplify, and it has 27 to the 1/3 times 27 to the 4/3. So what we're going to do is we're going to take, since these are the same base, they both have a base of 27, we can add these two exponents together. So this would be 27 raised to the 1/3 plus 4/3. And 1/3, oops, that's a 3. 1/3 plus 4/3 would give us 27 to the 5/3. Now, since this base is an actual number, 27, we can go ahead and raise it to the 5/3. You can do that right on your calculator. So what you want to do on your calculator is you want to type in 27, find your exponent key. Your exponent key is this little caret key. So you have 27, find this key here, which is your exponent key. Then you want to open your parentheses. And we're going to the 5, find your division key, divided by 3, and then close it out. And then hit equals. And you should get 243 as your final answer. If we take a look at letter B, we have y to the 3rd times y to the 7th. We have to remember that this middle y here, even though there's no exponent on there, it's understood that there's a 1. So we need to know that there's a 1 right there. Since these all have the same base, they're all a base of y, we can add those exponents. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 7 would give us 11. So this is equal to y to the 11th. And then in letter C, we have h to the 1/6 times h to the 1/2. So what we're doing here is we are going to add 1/6 and 1/2. So h to the 1/6 plus 1/2. And 1/6 plus 1/2 will give us h to the 2/3. Now I'd like you to go look at the try this. So pause the video and unpause it when you're ready to check your answer. If you did number 1 correctly, you should have gotten z to the 7th. And if you did number 2 correctly, you should have gotten 4 to the 5th, and then evaluated that to get 1,024. If you have any questions on this, please let me know.